dragging a clunky suitcase across cobblestone streets, wrestling it over subway turnstiles, and sweating bullets at the check-in counter over airline fees. Yeah, I've been there. But let me tell you, the magic of carry-on-only travel, it's real. Even if you're gone for 2 weeks straight. Here's how I make it work, and why you'll never want to check a bag again. First up, forget the idea that you need a fresh outfit for every day. The secret is packing for just 1 week, no matter how long you're staying. Think versatile, neutral pieces that mix and match like a dream. Black, navy, gray, they all play nice together. I promise nobody's paying attention if you repeat that favorite shirt. Now let's talk fabrics. Quick dry, wrinkle-resistant clothes are my go-to. You don't need to be a hardcore backpacker for this, just a smart traveler. Merino wool shirts are a game changer. I can wear them multiple times and they don't get stinky. Trust me, your bag and your travel buddies will thank you. Shoes? This is where most folks trip up. One solid, comfy pair for walking and maybe light sandals if you need them. That's it. Shoes are real space hogs. Use packing cubes. They're not just trendy. They actually compress your stuff and make it easy to grab what you need. Roll your clothes instead of folding. Old trick, but it works wonders. Toiletries? Ditch the full-size bottles. Go solid. Shampoo bars, toothpaste tabs, tiny refillable bottles for your favorites. A small microfiber towel dries fast, weighs nothing, and comes in handy at the weirdest moments. Don't sleep on your personal item. Airlines let you bring a backpack or tote, so load it with all your essentials. Laptop, chargers, passport, stuff you'll want on the plane. I stash a tiny fold-up day pack inside for exploring when I land. Here's the real MVP laundry. Toss in a packet of detergent or a laundry bar. Washing a few things in the sink keeps you fresh without overpacking. If you're somewhere longer, hit a local laundromat. It's cheap, easy, and you get a peek at real life where you're visiting. And thanks to tech, you can ditch the just-in-case extras. Use a digital packing list to keep yourself honest. Download your maps, boarding passes, and hotel info before you go. A slim power bank and universal adapter mean you're always charged up. It's not about giving things up. It's about gaining freedom. Wear your bulkiest jacket on the plane. Ship souvenirs home or skip them. And before you zip up, pull one thing out. Seriously, you'll never miss it. Traveling carry-on only isn't just about skipping baggage fees. It's about moving easy, saying yes to last-minute plans, and not letting your stuff slow you down. Trust me, that one bag is your ticket to more adventure, less stress, and a whole lot more fun on the road. Pack light, travel smart, and let your next journey surprise you.